Show Daddy your hair. Wow. Show Daddy. Can you look at Daddy?
Look, let me see your hair.
Brayden, where's Daddy?
Hi.
Can you wave? Can you give Daddy your toothbrush and face? Say Mommy. Say Daddy. Say Papa. Say Matt. Say E. Say Jenny. Say Cookie. Cookie. Say Moon. Say Star.
Say dark.
What else?
Say night night.
Say night night. You say night night. Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your teeth? Where's your ears? Where's your toes? Where's your fingers? Where's your belly? That's right.
Where are your elbows?
There they are.
Where are your knees?
Where's your knees? There they are. Where's your belly? You already said that. Where's your
Yeah.
belly?
Do you know where your shoulders are?
There's shoulders.
Where's your chin? That's
That's
right.
right. Say Mommy. Can you say please? Can you say, you gonna do your ABCs? You gonna do your ABCs? T, that's good.
Good.
A, B,
Oh.
you gonna wash your face? Wash your face. Good. Wash your feet. Wash your, okay, your other foot. Wash your belly. Wash your knees. Good. Wash your belly. You wash your hands. Okay, or your hair. You wash your face. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's enough.